This set of 4 videos was inspired by a good friend who said, "Robert, there are so many websites to use to research your family history. Which one or two should I concentrate on?" So I'm just going to give you 1 or 2 websites to concentrate your research on when you're starting out. These principles of family history research will help you stay on the straight and narrow. They'll ensure that you research the right family tree for you, finding the correct ancestors. The most common question I get asked is, "Robert, where do I start my family history research?" You should always start with yourself and collect information that corroborates the evidence you're putting on the family tree. For example, birth certificates.